welcome back. This week is birthday week, so I am literally just gonna have the best week ever. I've planned it so it's gonna be the best week ever. Not a great start. I got a bruise. It looks like a hickey, but it's actually from laser. But yeah, I don't know how they managed to burn me. Today I'm getting my hair done. It's just getting a little bit yellowy, and I can't remember if I spoke in the last vlog about my friend cutting it. She just cut it at work, so it's really uneven. So I'm just gonna get it neatened up and maybe a bit of a change. I'll see how I feel. And then I'm also getting my lashes redone today, so I have some lash extensions, which would be nice. And Wednesday to Friday I'm away in the Gold Coast, and then I get back and I'm having all my friends over for a birthday barbecue, or birthday bonfire even. So I'm just gonna do really minimal makeup this morning because I've got to go get my hair done, as I said, and my lashes, so I won't put mascara on. I might just fill in my brows, do a little bit of powder, and then that's it. Just cover the thing that looks like a hickey because I don't want to have to explain that to everybody. I thought I would film this week because birthday week and there's a lot of exciting things happening, so I hope you enjoy. So just really minimal makeup just to cover any blemishes. I've just got a little bit of scarring that I still just can't get rid of. I just made myself some brekkie, gonna watch some YouTube and then go get my hair done. I will speak to you later when my hair is all amazing. Here's the before. Snap! So it's hard to see because it's nighttime now and you're in the big lights, but yeah, it's very like caramelly rather than yellowy, and it looks way more natural, so I love it. I'm actually so happy. And the lashes are pretty hectic, but they'll fall out. A few will fall out and they'll kind of calm down a bit. They look really intense at the camera, but I really like them. So yes, I am a pampered girl and I am ready for my week away / 2 nights. So this is the new and improved me. I thought I would just take you out to see my hair in more natural light. I am obsessed. I think it's so nice. It's like really subtly blonde, but it's such a smoother transition than what I had. It was so like blocky before, and the lashes are a little bit extra, but it's fine, and they will like calm down a bit. So yeah, I'm off to work today. This is my work outfit. I'm super happy. I feel like a princess today. I feel like so pampered and so lush. So yeah, I'm happy. Hey, so we are just on our way to our little, well, it's not really a weekend getaway because it's midweek, but I tried to book for the weekend of my birthday and it was fully booked out. So then I tried the Wednesday to Friday and it was cheaper and it was free, so that was handy. So I just made this one get work off. And we're having 2 nights in this like rainforesty hut with a hot tub and a fireplace, and I'm so excited. And we'll probably just do some exploring of like the rainforest nearby, and there's waterfalls, so it should be really cute. So we're like just under an hour away. We're gonna stop and get some food because there's not really like cafes or restaurants nearby. It's like kind of just like get away from the world, I guess. So it should be good, and I will catch up with you when we're there. are here, finally. Am I focused? Yes. I'll take you out here. Okay, so you come in. This is where we are, like out here. So that's full of firewood, which is so good. And then there's like the next chalet is like over there. So we're called King Louis, which is cute. And then you come through the front door. Oh, it's so lush. So you have this cute little entryway. And then Boo's making a fire. And then they have like TV and movies for us as well. Do you like it?
It's good.
Are you chuffed? And this big lounge room. And then the kitchen is actually pretty decent size. We got red wine and chocolate. That was part of like a pack that I bought. A full like equipped kitchen. And then they gave us a full breakfast. Like you got bacon and sausages and eggs and hash browns and like salad and more hash browns, chocolate cake and a little barbecue meat tray, which is so good. And then we've just bought some other stuff as well. Just we didn't know how much food there'd be. And then out here is a little balcony with a barbecue and a little table looking out into the bush. And then there is this little bathroom. The stairs are like this spiral staircase, which is beautiful. And then we have like the loft bedroom. And then in here, it's just so cute. The shower is epic. Like it's got one of those seats, like a waterfall head thing. And then around here, it's got these beautiful like churchy windows, like the stained, they're called stained glass or something. So if that's wrong. And then like a spa bath, so lush. Like, oh, how lush is that? I've been waiting for this weekend for way too long. Then up the stairs, which they're a little bit wonky for my liking, I'm not gonna lie. But it is like this whole loft room. It's so pretty. And then it's like this beautiful loft bedroom. And more of the stained glass window. Beautiful big bed. And it's high as well, which is just lush. And then yeah, this just beautiful room. They even have a little toilet up here so you don't have to go down. And then my favorite part. We've got a hot tub. We're just filling it up. And it's getting on. It's hot water so it won't take ages. But how lush is that? And then like we look out onto this beautiful like rainforest. And then we've got this outdoor shower as well. So yeah, I am just super excited to like have a really chill few days here and relax and enjoy my nearly birthday. So it should be good. How pretty is it this way? Like just looking out onto that. I'm so excited. It is day 2 of our little cabin rainforest adventure. Last night we went in the hot tub, had a little wine, made some dinner. We had like a barbecue, which was nice. Then we sat by the fire and watched a movie and went to bed. It was really cute. And then we woke up quite, well, I woke up quite early. Some people had a bit of a lie-in. and then I went in the hot tub and I was looking out over like all the pretty forest and like the sun coming through, the morning sun, and it was lush. And then I came in and breakfast was being made for me and the fire was on and it was just beautiful. I could definitely get used to this life. And I made myself a coffee and got ready, had the most amazing shower in the shower. I think I showed you guys already the house tour, but it was just like the waterfall shower and it's just such a nice bathroom. And then yeah, now we are off for a little adventure, look at some views, some waterfalls, some rainforest treks. So I've got my trainers on. I went for jeans just because they're probably like warmer, so hopefully that's okay to walk in. And I've just done super basic makeup and my eyebrows so I don't look completely dead. So I will take you along for the ride and hopefully capture some really pretty stuff. Crazy hair and makeup. I have just had an hour Swedish massage. I feel amazing. Now we are just about to get into our little hot tub. Look at that, seriously, like, oh, and the view is insane. It's just like all this bush, rainforest. It's just magical. Regan just cooked some steak on the barbecue and we have some mash and broccoli and gravy and it looks amazing. And we are just catching up on Big Brother Australia and we've got our fire going and it is a good time. Shut up. So we are just on our way home now. We have left Mouse's houses, sadly. Had a really good time, stopped at a shopping place on the way back. A little bit disappointed, to be honest. Wasn't that great of stuff, like we didn't really buy anything. But now we're on our way home. We're gonna have a bonfire tonight. Oh no, we're gonna have dinner tonight with my fam. And yeah, more birthday week stuff to come. So I'm 25. I just opened all my prezzies. Regan got me this pretty necklace because I wanted a crushed coin, a status anxiety purse, which is lush. Mum and Dad got me AirPods. My brother got me some chocolate and hid $50 in a toilet roll, which is him to a T. I got a Sephora voucher from Regan's parents, some cards from a fan, and it was all just really nice. So we just went for brekkie with my fam. We did it with my parents, my brother and his girlfriend, and us. I'm wearing the necklace that Regan got me, and yeah, now we are just going to go and get some stuff for tonight. Dad's making pulled pork slow cooked for everyone tonight. All my friends coming over, we're gonna have like a fire, so it'll be really nice. So my best friend Ayla just came early and she got me the best present ever. It's my beautiful dog that just died. It's like an artwork of him. I love it so much.